मैं भारत सरकार की सांस्कृतिक मंत्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी को मैं निवेदन करूंगा, हमारे और एक नॉमिनेशन है माजुली के लिए, आगे जाके उनके लिए भी विचार किया जाए, ये भी मैं आग्रह आपका सामने रखना चाहूंगा। In the tourism, furthermore, Assam sprawling tea gardens, the enchanting Brahmaputra River, cruise along its waters, vibrant festivals, and rich historical landmarks make it a perfect destination for tourists. The state's cultural diversity further enriches its tourism appeal, offering a tapestry of spiritual landmarks. The Kamakhya temple in Guwahati, a revered Hindu Shaktipeeth, served as a spiritual hub. The Umananda temple, situated on the island of Brahmaputra, offers a skin blend of devotion and scenic beauty. Hajo, a unique confluence of Hindu, Buddhist and Muslim traditions, exemplifies Assam's religious harmony. Other cultural significant sites include Soalkuchi, celebrated for its exotic silk weaving, and Gwalpara, which showcase a blend of Hindu and Muslim spiritual traditions. Majuli Island, the world's largest river island, stands as a cultural haven, preserving Vaishnavite tradition through its satras dedicated to dance, music and art. Sibsagar, the historic capital of Ahom Kingdom, enthralls visitors with its temple, tanks and monuments. According to a 2014 survey, the district is home to 451 historical sites connecting to the legacy of the Ahom Empire. Festivals like Ambubasi Mela at Kamakhya Temple, the Ras Festival in Majuli, the Dol Utsav in Borpeta highlights Assam cultural vibrancy, drawing visitors from across the globe and bridging local tradition with a global audience. River tourism also holds immense potential in Assam, with the Brahmaputra serving as a lifeline of unique leisure and adventure opportunities. Luxury cruises offer travelers an intimate encounter with Assam wildlife, culture and landscape, wavering unforgettable journeys through Kajiranga's forest, Majuli's Satra and Dhuburi's historical sites. River cruise also combines tea tourism with wildlife exploration, presenting a distinct experience that underscores Assam's identity. With over 800 tea estates, the state is synonymous with tea, renowned worldwide for its distinctive flavor. Beyond production, these tea gardens offer rich tourism experiences featuring picturesque landscape, colonial era bungalows and vibrant ethnic culture. Assam is also home to several remarkable music and cultural festivals that celebrate its diverse heritage. The Karbi Youth Festival, held annually in February at Taralangshu, Karbi Along Difu, is among the oldest youth festival in the region, marking over 50 years of vibrant celebration. The Falcon Festival at Umrangshu, Dima Hasao, held every December, is a unique event that celebrates the incredible migration of the Amur falcon from Siberia to South Africa, stopping over in the Dima Hasao district of Assam. It raises awareness about bird conservation while promoting tourism.
যিকোনো খবৰৰ বাবে যোগাযোগ কৰক 7099017330 অথবা 7099017990